Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Hi. I'm sitting here in my lovely garden, just enjoying a little bit of sunshine. I'm listening to the birds, the insects, and one of our cats keeps meowing. You might hear her through the video. I'm feeling incredibly lucky. But I have a special question for you today. I'm wondering if you can tell me what makes a hero. That's something we've been learning about in Standard 7 over the last 2 weeks. And sometimes you can have a personal quality or a character trait or something special about you that you didn't even realize could make you a hero. So our assembly this week leads that question. What makes a hero?
A person that brings hope to people when they need it.
Do you know any everyday heroes?
Doctors, they put their lives on the line every day, especially with COVID. I think a hero should be helpful and fair. My mom's an everyday hero because she likes saving the world, people, animals, and the school.
Mr. T and Samuel and the rest of the Northside guards are everyday heroes because they keep us safe and let us come to school.
A hero is somebody who's enthusiastic and understanding. And my everyday hero are my parents because even if I don't need them, they're always there for me.
Melody, what is a hero?
A hero for me is someone that never gives up and is persistent. And even if they don't manage to do something that they want to do, they keep trying.
That's great. And do you know any everyday heroes?
I would say my friends because most of the time they're kind and put a smile on my face.
I know an everyday superhero. The everyday superhero I know is my tutor. She always helps me when I don't know something about math or I need a little help on it.
A superhero is a risk taker.
Principled, balanced, and open-minded.
Are you a hero?
Is someone a hero because they're strong or smart? Or is it more about what's inside a person's heart? Let's take a look inside this book and see what heroes do. You may find that a hero can be someone just like you. Heroes care for people and make sure they're okay. They help the sick get well again, assisting night and day. Heroes are like firefighters, strong and very brave. They risk their lives if there are any people they can save. Heroes care for nature and every living thing. As they work to help the earth, they hear creation sing. Heroes are loyal friends, honorable and brave. They fight for truth and do what's right, even when afraid. Always alert and ready, heroes know just what to do. If somebody is in danger, they will race to their rescue. Heroes always do their best to help someone in need. They think of others' feelings and don't act for selfish greed. Heroes take a stand against the things they know are wrong. They fight for justice and protect because their hearts are strong. Heroes can fix broken things. They like to make things better. They use their talents that they have. They're helpful and they're clever.
Heroes work hard at their jobs and always do their best, not just to meet their own needs, but so others can be blessed. Heroes find solutions to the problems that we face. They even invent ways to make the world a better place. Heroes are those mums and dads who love their families, teaching and empowering them to be all that they can be. Anyone can be a hero, whether woman, child, or man, by helping others, doing right, and being the best they can. So if you see a problem and there's something you can do, then know that what the world needs is a hero just like you.